Ang lagi kong iniiwanan sa bawat pinupuntahan ko, yung maging blessing po tayo sa ibang tao.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the 24th UAsia's Quality Excellence Awards 2024. Earn and being part of a growing universal platform. Frayed is truly a business of everything. Be a Frayed patron now.
Ang QAsia po is not your ordinary award-giving body and not your ordinary. Kaya yung inyong mga support, yan po ay pumupunta tungo sa tulong sa ating mga advokasya na pinangangalagaan.
Again, Nuribu Life is so happy to partner with Frayed, our modern medicine in partnership with Modern Digital World, because we will be opening worldwide.
And we are delighted with the turnout of the 24th QAsia Quality Excellence Awards for MSMEs and individual achievements. And we are equally happy with our new partnership with Frayed, because this will now open up a new market, a new opportunity for all those who are looking for a way to start a business. Frayed is the best way to go digital. This is the way of the future, and this is an opportunity that no one should ever miss.
As we look to the future, let us continue to foster a culture of excellence, collaboration, and empowerment. Together, we can pave the way for a new era of innovation and impact, where businesses and individuals continue to thrive and inspire positive change.
Empowering consumerism is a way of life, and this is how Frayed redefines all of this. Our next awardee is the most advanced Skin Glow Face Serum. Congratulations to Frayed Cosmetics. We have the most inspiring digital incentive consumerism radio program. Congratulations, Balitang Frayed.
So again, thank you so much. A good business must have a good technology, and that's my partner, Frayed.
Muli, pinaparangalan ko kayong lahat at huwag nating kalimutan, Pinoy tayo. Buo ating loob, leagimat ang ating dugo. Mabuhay po tayong lahat, mabuhay ang Pilipinas!